Somebody following you behind you is turning
Uh, these guys are plotting and scheming.
Hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. That's right. We're in the airport. We're heading to Vegas to pick up the Jeep to head to Sand Hollow.
Yep. Busy, 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 busy.
You ready to go to Vegas?
Yeah.
Well, we're in Vegas waiting for our ride.
Working on Dory the Explorer or Deja Blue.
I like everything about what's happening.
Rory's making steering adjustment.
All right, well, there it is, guys. There's our Jeep. And we got to get it up to Sand Hollow now and get set up. And tomorrow, well, it'll be today for you guys. You'll be seeing this on the hill. So, it's definitely a YJ, and it is built. He did a wonderful job on this. We got a Dana 60 up front, hydraulic steering, 3-link, ORI shocks, it's trussed, Badlands winch, and we got a 1-ton Outback, leaf springs from an XJ. Anyway, looks pretty good. Well, the tow truck's here. Looks good.
And here it is, setup time at Sand Hollow. We got Gabe who constructed the Jeep. He's rolling up the access on the ratchet straps. Got the Blake's two boys working on setting up stuff. Got tables, got chairs, we got all sorts of stuff going on.
Yeah, like fixable things. But right. It's just
And we're next to Project Farm, so it's all good.
Well, we got set up. We got everything ready for tomorrow, I think.
Well, let's hope.
Yeah, and we're checked into our condo, and now we got to run over to Matt's and get prepped from him.
Yep, and then go to bed because I heard that there's a rumor that we have to be ready in there by 6:30 a.m.
Yeah, something like that. We got to be ready.
Oh.
Well, got all these critters in here. Part of the party. We got the cheerleader cheering us on. All sorts of different people showing up.